Turn the lock 180 degrees counterclockwise to open the box. There are some accessories including remote control, communication cables, and a charger. Firstly, we take out the remote control. Open the rear cover of the machine. Put the battery in the machine. Connect the power cables and the BMS cable. Close the rear cover. Press the power button of the machine. Please make sure the 4 switches are in the up position. And hold the power buttons for at least 3 seconds to turn on the remote control. Put the second switch to the middle position. Now we can control the machine.